this episode, we will be discussing Alaska Rental Agreement Terms and Conditions. The Alaska Uniform Residential Landlord and Tenant Act sets the following parameters for the terms and conditions of a rental agreement, especially when a rental agreement does not exist. Clauses and conditions. The landlord and tenant may include in a rental agreement clauses and conditions not prohibited by this act or by law, including rent, terms of agreement, and other provisions governing the rights and obligations of the parties. Rent. In the absence of agreement, the tenant shall pay as rent the fair rental value for the use and occupancy of the dwelling unit. Rent shall be payable without demand or notice at the time and place agreed upon by the parties. Unless otherwise agreed, rent is payable at the dwelling unit. Unless otherwise agreed, rent is payable at the beginning of any term of 1 month or less and otherwise in equal monthly installments. Unless otherwise agreed, rent shall be uniformly apportionable from day to day and shall be paid on the date the periodic tenancy begins and payable on or before the same date of each and every month thereafter until the tenancy terminates. Term. Unless the rental agreement fixes a definite term, the tenancy shall be week to week in the case of a tenant who pays weekly rent, and in all other cases, month to month. Premises Condition Statement. If required by the landlord and the tenant shall include within the rental agreement, incorporate by reference in the rental agreement, or add as a separate attachment to the rental agreement a premises condition statement, setting out the condition of the premises, including fixtures, but excluding reference to any of the other contents of the premises, and, if applicable, a contents inventory itemizing or describing all of the furnishings and other contents of the premises and specifying the condition of each of them. In the premises condition statement and contents inventory, the landlord and tenant shall describe the premises and its contents at the commencement of the term of the rental agreement. When signed by the landlord and tenant, the premises condition statement and contents inventory become part of the rental agreement. For additional laws and articles, visit AmericanLandlord.com.